everyone, welcome back to another episode of Crypto Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to log into your Linen Wallet account. To log into your Linen Wallet account, first of all, make sure that you open up the Linen Wallet application from your app drawer. It will then ask you to enter your Linen Wallet account's passcode. Your Linen Wallet account's passcode is 6 digits long, and you may have set it up while creating a new account. Type in the 6 digits long passcode with the help of the keypad, and then you will be able to sign into your Linen Wallet main homepage. So that's it for today's video. It is super easy to log into your Linen Wallet, isn't it? If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.